Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Deepseek-R1 on a Mac M1. But first, let's take a quick look at the different DeepSeek models available. DeepSeek offers various sizes, and for this video, we'll be using the 8B model, which has a size of 4.9 gigabytes. Now, let's get started with the setup. First, open your terminal and run brew install Ollama to install Ollama, which we need to run Deepseek-R1. Next, start the Ollama server by running Ollama serve. This keeps the model running in the background. Finally, we can launch Deepseek-R1 with the following command. The model is now being downloaded, which can take up a while. Now you can start prompting the model. Let's test it with a quick prompt. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.